in this video, I will be showing you how to download your Google Docs file in different formats. And yes, for those of you who didn't know, Google Docs allows us, the users, to download our Google Docs file in different formats, such as DOCX, which is the format used for Microsoft Word, PDF file, a plain text file, or even a web page file, and many other formats. Now, please do not worry if you are not familiar with the Google Docs interface, because I will be here to show you step by step on how to do so. So, let's get started. Please make sure that your Google Chrome is completely up to date before proceeding, so that we will not encounter any errors along the way. Now, what we want to do, as you can see, I'm currently on a Google Docs file. Click on the File button right here at the top portion of the screen, the File tab, and it will bring us tons of different options to choose from. And here, we would like to choose Download. Now, from Download, as you can see, we have different formats right here to choose from. Now, it depends on you on what format you would like to download your file with. You got DOCX, which is the Microsoft Word file. You got PDF, you got plain text, web page, and other formats. Now, let's say, for example, I would like to download it as a PDF document. Also, please take note that your file name right here will be also the file name when you download your file. Let's say, for example, I would like to download this document as a PDF document. Just click on PDF, and as you can see, it downloads it automatically on my computer. Now, if I open this, as you can see, right here, we got this Google Docs file, which is also this one, in a PDF format. Now, let's say I want to download it as a DOCX file format. I would also go to File, click on Download, and hit Microsoft Word, and it will download it in DOCX format. Now, if I open this, as you can see, it will redirect me to the Microsoft Word software, because I downloaded it in a Microsoft Word file format, which is DOCX. And as simple as that, we have already downloaded our Google Docs file in different formats. If you learned something in this video, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.